Stop rushing your life, my friends. You don't need to rush. Everything is not supposed to happen all at once. Believe me, it's a process and it's a timing. Rushing only creates a lot of pressure, believe it or not. When you rush everything, you start feeling behind, stressed, overwhelmed, like you are running out of time. Good things takes time. Growth takes time. Progress takes time. Real change takes time. Trying to speed it up only will lead to unnecessary frustration. Slow progress, my friends, still progress. No matter what no one says or think. Even small steps matters. Even quiet growth matters. Just because it is not fast doesn't mean it is not working. Can be slow, but still working. Trust your instinct. Trust your own timing. Your path is your path. You don't need to force it. You don't need to rush it. Just stay consistent. You are not alone. You are on your own timing. Question: do you feel like you have been rushing your life lately? And if so, my friends out there, please comment my time.